everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you a super quick and easy way to change Microsoft Word from dark mode to light mode. So let's get started. Firstly go to search bar. Here we will type Word, then open Microsoft Word. Now you can see this is your darker theme. If you change it to light theme, it looks bright and clear. So let's get started. Click on file, then click on options. Here you will see in general office theme black. From here you will choose white, system setting or colorful. Like if we choose white, it will be light theme or all white. Again, if you choose colorful, then you will see it will be colorful theme. And that's it. Your document background is now bright and easy on the eyes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick word and office tips. Thanks for watching.